Hey, this is a quick demo on how to use my tileset format tool to generate a Godot resource tileset. Import it and use it to paint some level backgrounds. So I'll go to this info button here, which opens up a Stack Exchange article about tilesets in general. That's a good read, and that's actually referencing this article from Boris the Brave. Again, good stuff. Just check it out if you want to learn a little bit more details there. But we're here for this image to use as a tile set for us. So we'll download that. Come back to the tile set format tool and just browse for it here. So I already have a tile set set up for this tile set. Tile set, I guess, like the combination, like how this layout is. So if we show the tile IDs here, you can see like the certain order in. So you can create your own custom ones by going into the editor, but we'll just use this one here. And you'll notice that the tile set has some borders in, so we'll need to set those up. And I already know it's a 5-5 here. There's a 10 pixel border on the outside, and each tile spacing between each tile is 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10, and that's kind of like what it is here. So if there was no border, we would still have a 5 here on a tile border. Or if there was no tile border and there was an image border of 10, we would use 5 here. And you can kind of see what it looks like in the preview here. So all we have to do, I believe that's it. And yeah, you can select a bunch of them here, a bunch of presets. And if you want to go to the editor, you can either edit existing ones or create your own. So we'll just download this file and the resource for the Godot. This is what it looks like in the downloads folder. And I have a Godot project already set up here to kind of test things out with. So we'll just take these two images that we got from the tile setter tool and just, if I can actually figure out how to drag and drop here, into the resource here, and then top level. Because of how the path and stuff is set up in the TRES file, it needs to be in the top level. You can move them around later on. All right, so the project here in Godot has a top level 2D node and a tile map, which is you just add a plus button and you just search for them here and just add them on just like that. So we select the tile map, and in the tile set it says empty, so all we have to do is just drag this TRES file here in the empty slot, and we are actually all set up to paint a level now. So if we go into the tile map tab here and select one of these terrains, we have two terrains set up because the tile map has water and has grass, so terrain 0 and terrain 1, and you can actually see them here in the terrain sets. So this is a terrain set 0, and it has a terrain 0 and a terrain 1. I had kept those generic because, you know, it's not necessarily grass or water, right? So let's draw some things now. I have this rectangle tool selected, and I'm in the terrains tab here, and this connect mode instead of path mode. So we'll just draw a rectangle, and terrain 0 will yield some grass. And then if we go to terrain 1, that will yield some water. So then if, say, we put terrain 1 on terrain 0, let's try that. You can see now there's a border automatically put in there. Let's do terrain 0 on terrain 1. And now we have a border set up the opposite way. So this is kind of like the inner, and this is the outer border. Now, if we go and start painting away kind of just with a pencil tool, we can say, do that with terrain 1, or draw a terrain 0 here. And so, yeah, you can just kind of paint away either on the inside or the outside, and that will just kind of like yield different results and just paint your level that way. Now there's another way that we could do it. Right now, we're just kind of painting with both terrains, but we could set it up for other situations where actually don't even need this terrain one. So I'm just gonna take the rectangle tool, right click, and just delete everything and remove terrain one. And now it's gonna behave just a little bit differently. So if we draw a rectangle, now it automatically puts water around, whereas before it just didn't. So now we can kind of, let's see, delete maybe some of the inside, and now you have like this sort of situation going on where the water is again automatically drawn both on the outside and on the inside. So just a different way. So I'll go to the path tool now and kind of with a pencil tool, just do some more drawing. But yeah, that's pretty much how this works. I'll do a more in-depth tutorial on how the actual tile set tool works and what you could do with it, but that's pretty much how you use it within the Godot. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and look forward to seeing you guys next time for the next tutorial. See ya!